Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. Today we will continue our chapter They Showed Us the Way with the topic Kings. Children, do you know India was ruled by many great kings who treated their people with love. Some of them gave away their comforts for the welfare of the people and looked after their needs. So, first of all, we will talk about Ashoka. Ashoka was one of the greatest emperor of all time. He won many battles, but after the battle of Kalinga, he was completely transformed. He could not see the sight of dead and injured soldier on the battlefield. He then gave up the war and became a follower of Gautam Buddha. His only motto in life was to work for the welfare of his people. He got many roads, hospitals, and constructed. He got the teaching of Buddhas inscribed on rocks and pillars so that people could learn the Buddhist teaching by reading them. The national emblem of India is the replica of the capital of Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. Akbar was known as the Akbar the Great. More of his rule than for his name, he founded a religion called Deen-e-Ilahi. He himself was not educated, but he helped to spread knowledge. He had great artist and writer in his court. Art, music, literature during his reign. He had very serious built for the travelers. Many forts and buildings were also built during his rule. Now the next one is Chhatrapati Shivaji. Shivaji was a great warrior. He was brave, fearless, and good administrator. He started many reforms and sowed the seeds of the nationalist movement in India. Next is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was known as the great builder. He built many magnificent buildings and forts. These include Jama Masjid, Red Fort, etc. He is, however, best remembered for his dream in marble, the Taj Mahal at Agra, which he got built in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now children, the next topic is freedom fighter. A freedom fighter is a person who wants his people to have our nation and independency. The freedom fighter of India played a great role in getting independence for the country. India attained independence on 15 August 1947. The hardship and sacrifice of freedom fighter led to the freedom of the country. Let's read about some of them. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on October 31st, 1875 in a village of Gujarat. He played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. He was popularly known as Iron Man of India because of his hard work and intelligence. Sardar Patel was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. After independence, he became India's first Deputy Prime Minister. Next one is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was an important leader of Indian independence movement. He was an Indian nationalist and his patriotism made him a hero in India. He attained to get rid of British rule in India during World War II. The next one is Lala Lajpat Rai. He was an prominent nationalist leader who played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was one of 3 extremist members of the Indian National Congress who gave their life for the independence of India along with other 2 members, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal.